Let's learn the sounds of the alphabet. Come on, kids, let's not forget. Each letter has a special sound. Sing along and let's spell around. Let's go! A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. Sing with me the phonic sounds. Every letter has a phonic sound. Learning letters with the learning sounds. This sound is so much fun. We're phonics kids, let's sing out loud. F is for fish, for fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice, ice. J is for juice, juice. Great job, kids. Now let's move along. Sing with me the phonic sounds. Every letter has a phonic sound. Learning letters with the learning sounds. This sound is so much fun. We're phonics kids, let's sing out loud. K is for king, ka-in. L is for lion, lion. M is for mouse, moon. N is for nose, nose. O is for orange, orange. Keep it up, kids, we're almost there. Sing with me the phonic sounds. Every letter has a phonic sound. Learning letters with the learning sounds. This sound is so much fun. We're phonics kids, let's sing out loud. P is for panda, panda. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rain, rain. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. Wonderful, kids, let's finish strong. Sing with me the phonic sounds. Every letter has a phonic sound. Learning letters with the learning sounds. This sound is so much fun. We're phonics kids, let's sing out loud. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra, zebra. We did it, kids, we know our sounds. Phonic sounds, phonic sounds. Now we know the phonic sounds. Learning letters, learning sounds. We're phonics kids, we're oh so proud. We're oh